Did you know there are 5 different types of AC compressors? And each one works in a completely different way? The compressor is the heart of any HVAC system. Let's break down the 5 main types in a simple way. 1. Reciprocating compressor. Works like a car engine piston. Sucks refrigerant in, compresses it by moving up, checkmark, strong and durable, crossmark, noisy and less efficient, lightning bolt. 2. Scroll compressor. Uses 2 spiral scrolls to compress gas smoothly, checkmark, quiet, checkmark, high efficiency, checkmark, most common in modern ACs. 3. Rotary compressor. Uses a rotating blade inside a cylinder, compact, quiet, used in split ACs. 4. Screw compressor. Uses 2 rotating screws to compress refrigerant, high capacity, used in large commercial systems, smooth and continuous operation. 5. Centrifugal compressor. Uses high-speed spinning to compress refrigerant, very high capacity, used in big buildings and industries, super efficient for large loads. Quick summary: small AC, rotary/scroll, home AC, scroll, large systems to screw/centrifugal. Conclusion: no matter the type, the compressor is what makes cooling possible. Like and subscribe for more HVAC tips that save you money.